How to recover Snapchat account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you forgotten your Snapchat account password and you want to recover it without your phone number? Then let's dive right in. You'll need to go to Google Chrome and so open up Snapchat support and then scroll down and tap on Contact Us. Now tap on I can't access my account and then tap on I forgot my password. So once you tap on it, you can see that to reset your password, you need to visit the Snapchat accounts portal. You can enter your phone number or your email address associated with or Snapchat account. Now, you need to click Forgot Password, send a one-time login code to your phone or email address, and follow the instructions in the SMS or email you receive. So, uh, you can see that I want to reset my password, but I forgot or lost access to the phone number or email I used on Snapchat. So it says that for security reasons, Snapchat support cannot send you a password reset if you don't have access to the phone number or email address associated with the Snapchat account. So what you can do is you need to either remember your email address and then you can send a verification code to your email address if you don't remember your phone number. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.